I could get that for you guys. 4,845 miles is what I'm currently at. I'm mainly that high in mileage right now. I bought it back in May and it's now October. I'm mainly that high in mileage because I drove it back from Washington when I bought it. So my fiance and I and her parents, we drove up to Renton, Washington, bought the truck, and then I drove it back. So it's about 1,700 miles or so. If not, you know, I'd be well under for my 5,000 mile or 6-month service. Don't know how much it's gonna cost, don't know what they're gonna do. Which, one thing that's weird is when I originally had my scheduled service, it was for the local Toyota dealership in my city, but they didn't have one early enough for me. They quoted me $110, and then I scheduled one that's like 30 miles away, which I don't mind too much because I'm gonna be driving. I mean, that's my drive the whole time, right here on the coastline. Very nice view. But this dealership quoted me $0, so I really don't know what to expect. Realistically, I shouldn't be paying anything because I have the warranty, but I think there's still a little bit in there that you end up having to come up with. So yeah, don't know what they're gonna plan on that, but I guess we'll see what happens. If you're new to my page, I did some recent interior modifications. So as you can see, the Toyota emblem is black. Changed that from chrome. The AC vent rings, those are all blacked out now instead of chrome. The push to start, as well as a 2-wheel, 4-wheel drive, and then around the climate control rings is all blacked out. Under the shifter, and I also did the door handles, got rid of those. That's all by the same brand, Miso Customs. They have the whole blackout kit on there you can purchase online. However, when it does become available, it sells out within, you know, minutes because it's so popular. So I just hit the email notifications when it's available, and as soon as I got that email, I bought everything I could. And yeah, I really enjoy it, really like it. If you're looking at doing that, don't hesitate. And in terms of the exterior, like for the chrome delete, I've gotten rid of the Tacoma that's down below each side mirror. That was all chrome before. Took that off, debadged that, and then put a different badge on, which is a TRD Off-Road badge. The V6 on the tailgate, that was completely taken off and not replaced with anything. My truck didn't have tailgate inserts, so I put some tailgate inserts in there. The side mirrors, you'll probably notice you have the turn signal, and then under the turn signal it's got that chrome strip. Well, I took out the whole turn signal and replaced it with a brand new one that's completely black. That was a little sketchy doing that, but you know, nothing broke, so that's good. The grill had a little bit of chrome around the Toyota emblem. That was taken out, and I also put some lights inside the grill. And I think that's it for the chrome delete. So if you guys want to see how I did that stuff all on my own. Like the wiring, all that stuff is all done on my own. I'm a newbie at this, so it wasn't as clean as you're probably expecting. But go ahead and check those videos out. They're all down in the description below. So yeah, I'm almost to the dealership, so we'll see what we're gonna get done today. All right, they're gonna rotate the tires, adjust the maintenance service light, and top off the windshield wiper fluid. Preliminary estimate 56 bucks. Current estimate $0. So it is going to be free. Not going to do much oil changes until 10,000. This Tacoma is almost like mine. This one actually comes with the black emblem overlays, which if you see my previous videos, I actually took that all off. I completely forgot what the stock sticker looks like. The TRD Off-Road. Man, I had no idea what it looked like. I could not remember. As you know, I changed out mine, put a different sticker on, all black. Real nice. There was something else that was different with this one. Oh, this one comes with the tailgate inserts. And see, black tailgate inserts and black V6. I also took that off on mine. So I'm gonna assume this one is a 2. Yeah, so this is a 2x4. Huh. There's always something that I like on the Sport that I want on my off-road, and then that I liked on the 2x4 that I want on my off-road. To get the windshield washer fluid topped off, the tires rotated, and the service light turned off, only took about 30 minutes. Not bad. They said everything looked good, nothing was concerning, which I wouldn't expect anything to be considering the truck's only 5 months old. So yeah, that was a 5,000 mile maintenance service, or 6 months, but 5,000 came up quicker, like I said before. The lady that checked me in though, she actually really liked the truck. She liked my grill, she liked the lights inside the grill, the turn signals, she liked the sticker on the back, how it wasn't the stock one, it was, you know, all blocked out. She also owns a Tacoma, and hers, actually being the SR5, didn't come with any chrome. So, you know, we're just talking, and you know, she complimented a few more things on the vehicle. And you know, when you start doing this stuff on your own, I mean, you know, changing out all these vent rings, changing out all the chrome, putting on new modifications, when you do that on your own, it feels really good when people start complimenting you. And I'm new to this, so you know, doing all this stuff for the first time is brand new, so there's a lot of messing up, but you know, it's a lot of fun, and I really appreciate when people comment and you know, they start to enjoy the build that I'm working on. So yeah, I wasn't gonna do, or I'm not gonna do the, you know, what I like about my vehicle so far and what I dislike. That'll be in a separate video, just because I've really got to dig as to what I dislike about my truck, because there's really nothing. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you're new to my page, make sure you check out my other videos where I'm doing my, I guess, a road to my chrome delete, getting rid of all the chrome. And then I also have some stuff in the mail. Should be here soon. The quickest thing, actually, let me tell you guys this. I ordered some smoked out taillights, which will also get rid of some chrome in there. Said they were delivered, went outside 5 minutes after they were delivered, and they're gone. Looked on my cameras, and the delivery company never even showed up to my residence. So I'm a little mad about that. I've already got a claim started, but now they're not going to be here for this weekend, which I would have installed them and had a video for you guys. So hopefully my other stuff will be here. One product's going to take about 6 weeks. That'll be exciting to put on. So yeah, make sure you guys check out my other videos. If you're returning, thanks for the support, and I appreciate it. And take care.